Hi guys, masks aren't efficient enough. They aren't comfortable. Today we are gonna make a face shield. Let's have the contents. Here are the contents. Let's begin. This is a file, scissors and some specs. Let's just begin with cutting this. Cut it along the dotted line. Oh, you have this. So if you want, you can use both of them, but if you wear this, it becomes really blurry. So I'm just gonna cut this thing in half. Now you can use this for two shields. Adjust the face shield so that your whole face is covered. Just try to mark your eyes to this end and to this end. So here's where you'll be making pins. Since you got this end and this end, so we won't be requiring to punch holes there, and that's where we'll be punching. Here. That's it. A little inside. Then, wait a minute. That's it. What you need to do now is and inside. That's it. You have a face shield. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and you have it's open so that you can breathe. So if it's closed, you just can't breathe. This shield is very much comfortable, easy to make too. This thing is great. If you like my video, hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.